Welcome to my kitchen. Yes, so my kitchen was built yesterday and we had to wait 6 hours before we could use the kitchen. But we decided to do it overnight, like wait and use it this morning. So we left it throughout the night and we decided to come in this morning to give it its first clean. So as you can see, I'm already ready with my cleaning stuff. And yes, so let's get right in. So I need to get these. I'm gonna start with here. I mean, someone might say, why are you cleaning a newly built kitchen? It has a bit of dust and sawdust here and there from the cutting of the wood and other stuff. So I just want to give it a clean so I feel comfortable taking stuff from there to use. Like I said, it had to be some pieces of wood that has to be inside. And besides, it needs to be baptized. So I'm super excited. You know how it feels to not have a kitchen or to be kitchenless for 3 weeks? Ladies and gentlemen, it wasn't easy. Having to cook on a table, having to do dishes. Somewhere you're not supposed to do dishes, lifting them up here and there. I have no idea how excited I am. So just to let you know what the next thing I will be doing is, after cleaning, is to go Ikea kitchen shopping. I never dreamt of having such a huge kitchen. You guys, you don't know how excited I am, man. I wish I could have the kitchen and even sleep here. But I take it one day at a time. I have to soak it in. Stopper.
Yeah.
For here, yeah, because when you open it, it hits the wall. Otherwise, it's going to end up dented. So we need to.
Oh, close it again, let me see.
Close it, you mean, or open it? So, and you can't. Look, even if you open it like this, so it doesn't touch the wall, it goes by itself. So we need a stopper.
Okay. I'll have to put it on the wall.
Yeah.